So we were building our team from scratch. So let me select this option. And now it is asking me to what kind of team this will be. You can keep it as a private or public. Now since in the private, if you keep this team as private, then the people joining your team would need your permission and you can allow them or you can deny them. So you can choose it to be private or you can choose it to be public. So if anyone is having the link of your team, then they can join directly. They do not need your permission. So since I would suggest that if you are creating a team for your class, then it is better that you keep it private so that you know what students enter your class and there are no extra or other students in your class. So let's keep this class as private. Now it is asking me to give the team a name. So let's say I want to create a class for BSc honors, and here you can write down the description like this is the third year class, okay, whatever you like, or you can write down the subject name or whatever you like. You can just write down any description. So now I'm going to create this class. Now here it's showing nice work that the team has been created, and now it is asking me to add members to BSc honors. So you can add members here as well, or you can add members later on. So if you want to add members right here, so let's say I am adding one member, and since it is listed here, you can add your members here. And if you do not have the people with the institutional domain, then you can just directly write their complete email address and it will ask you to add them as a member or as a guest. Okay, so let's say I would add one person. Okay, now it is showing me the option to keep this person as a member or a owner. Okay, so I can create this person as a member or I can make him/her the owner of the team. So since I'm the owner, so I would keep him/her as the member. Okay, now you can add participants here to your team, or you can add later on while we will discuss the further features. Okay, so right now I'm leaving with the one member. Now here you can see this is the home page for my team. So here you can see BSc honors. This is the private information. You can see the page showing up here for BSc honors. It has two members. One is me, that is I'm the owner, and another one is the one we have added right now. It is a private team and this is showing the description. Okay, now here are some of the options that you can do. Add more people. Obviously you can start adding more people or adding your students here. Again, you need to type their email IDs, or you can just share your link and they will be, when they click on that link, you can allow them or deny them. Alright, now the next option here is create more channels. Now channel can be here considered as a subject. Now since, as I've told you, that teams can be considered as creating classes, now channels can be created as creating subjects. So let's say you are teaching a particular let's say you are teaching 2 or 3 subjects in BSc honors. So then you can create 2-3 subjects, 2-3 channels for your particular subjects. Okay, so we'll get back into it in a moment. Before, let's discuss about this team first. So here this is my team BSc honors, and you can just click on this 3 epsilons. You can see a lot of options popping up here. So the first one is the manage team. You can add a channel, you can add a member, you can leave the team, you can edit the team, you can get the link to team, you can manage tags, and you can delete the team. Okay, these are some of the options that you can use to manage your team. Okay, so let's say I want to check out what's in the manage option. So here you can see it is showing the members. One member is there, test module. This is the owner, and it is showing